Hey, how y'all doing? This is David Williams with Kenwill Enterprises LLC. Again, I'm just coming to you today to tell you about Mary Taylor and Better Day Consulting. Um, I'm about 8, 9 months into this journey of building my personal and business credit right now, and I gotta tell y'all that I'm so happy right now. I'm in such a good place. Mary has led me to the promised land. Um, my credit scores have raised up tremendously. My Equifax credit score has went up 75 points. My Experian credit score has went up 125 points. And my TransUnion score has went up a whopping 153 points since I first started this program. And not only that, I built payment history. She's deleted so many negative items off of my credit report. She straightened everything out, streamlined everything. It's just amazing, man. I just really want to give y'all an update. As a matter of fact, in the mail today, I'm going to put my finger over it here, but I just received my business debit card for my business account. You know, I'm legit right now, so that's my card. I have my, see that? City of Mobile business license. So everything is wonderful right now. And it haven't even been a year since I first went to her credit seminar that was in October, where she was telling us how to build personal and business credit. You know, like I said, on the personal side, my credit score has went from 0 to hero. And I'm getting in the point right now where I'm building up my business credit. So we're building an empire over here. You know, this is, something about building a strong foundation and setting the tracks for the rest of your life. So if you're looking at this video and you hear my voice and you're thinking about, trying to get right, this is the place you need to start with Mary. I ain't gonna lie to you, because I'm still a regular person. At the beginning of this, I'm probably just like you, didn't know anything. But right now, I'm in a good spot right now. So again, Mary Taylor with Better Day Consulting. You guys need to go ahead, do what you need to do. Holler at her right now. I vouch for her all day long. Again, this is David Williams with Kenwill Enterprises LLC. It sounds so good that I'm a actual business owner. But I'm looking forward to hearing about y'all's journey, and we'll meet y'all at the top. Appreciate you.